Hello friends, welcome you all to the Pearl of Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka. Ayubowan, Vadakkam, Assalamu alaikum, hello. So we are going to present you various type of videos every day, day by day. So keep in touch with us. You can subscribe our channel for notification, press the bell icon and comment as well. Don't forget to comment. Today we are going to speak about gemstones. Sri Lanka known as a gem city. Centuries of years back, decades of years back, years of years back, we produce top quality gemstones to the world. Mainly the sapphires. From the sapphires also the blue sapphires. The world knows the Sri Lanka produce the best quality blue sapphires to the world. So we have many kind of sapphires. Blues, pinks, yellows, whites, brown, orange, many colors. But the blue is the main. So today we are going to present you the how to cut blue sapphire stone. So we are going to our main gem cutter's home. So now at the moment we are in the Western Province. From the Colombo, 35 kilometers away from the Colombo, it's at Raigam Korla Millania. So we are direct goes to the cutter's home to show and present you the method of the way of cutting. So let's move. Ajitaya. Ajitaya. Ini bala. Bala mata utat lagi lah. Ini. කොච්චර බලද?
අමනේ එකමාරක් විතර වගේ. කැරට් එකමාරක්.
කොච්චර? බලන්න මොකද තත්ත්වය කියලා?
අනේ පොයින්ට් 60ත් 80ත් අතර.
60
ඔව් වගේ.
පාට හොඳයිනේ.
ඔව්.
අද මොකද මේක ගහන්න අපි?
අපි කොයි ඕවල් හැඩිය ඕවල් වගේ හැඩියක් ගමු.
මේ වාක්කුව මේ අතට තියලා.
ඔව්. මෙතන මූණ ගලේ.
ගල ලස්සනයි?
ගල ලස්සනයි.
මේක ටේබල් එක.
ඔව් ඒක ටේබල් එක.
ලස්සන ගෙනවන්නේ.
ඔව්. ගල් ටික හොඳයි.
ගංගේ ගල් ටික.
ඔව් ගංගේ ගල්. පිරිසිදුව තියෙනවා නේද?
ඔයනෝ. From few rough stones. So as we discussed earlier, we are going to present the blue sapphire stone cutting. So we have some fresh natural sapphire stones that is mixed. It's having white, blue, pink, yellow, purple. From these stones, this is all natural from the river actually, all are in natural form. So we select with our gem cutter one piece of blue sapphire we are expecting to cut from the stone for a nice cut and polish stone. This is actually 1.8 carat weight. You know, normally the blue sapphire, the sapphire family from the chemistry is from the world. Sapphire's family comes with aluminum oxide, that is called Al2 or 3. That is in white phase, white color. Normally the aluminum oxide is in white color with adding ferrous oxide or titanium. Then the white sapphire become the blue sapphire. That is the chemical formation. So, for the aluminum oxide mixing with ferrous oxide or titanium, the blue sapphire comes. So, normally the blue sapphire, the sapphire family, hardness 9, special gravity Sg, we call Sg 3.99 to 4, and the Ri is refractive index 1.768 to 1.772, and the crystal type, crystal formation is hexagonal. This is normally the in chemistry, actually in the science. So, from this blue sapphire 1.8 carat weight, we expecting to get best yield, best output, at least around 0.7 to 0.6, 0.8, between 0.6 to 0.8 cut and polish stone we are expecting. So, let us see, wait and see how it will finish with the, that will help our gem cutter Ajit Ayya. So, so we are going to cut the that selected blue sapphire with Ajit Ayya. Here is the Ajit Ayya. So, I will explain a little about him. He is Ajit Padmasiri, just 50 years. He was trained 30 years back with the government institution for gem cutting. So, he is doing this gem cutting business, that is his main income earned trade, with his having experience of around 30 years. So, he can cut any type of gem, any method. There are few methods, various type of methods in the world to cut gems, that is mainly according to customer requirements. So, we are going to have little chat with Ajit, and after we are going to cut the selected blue sapphire. Ajit Ayya, අවුරුදු 30ක් නේ වැඩේට.
අවුරුදු 30ක් වෙනවා.
වැඩේ කොහොමද මේ වැඩේ කොහොමද වෙන්නේ? කොහොමද ඔයා හැපීද මේ වැඩේට? කොහොමද යන විදිහ?
ඔව් මේක සතුටුයි මේ ජොබ් එක.
ඔව්. His family having wife and 2 daughters. අවුරුදු 30කට ඉස්සෙල්ලා අපි elder daughter 24 years, she is in medical faculty in Peradeniya campus, and the youngest one 21 years, just after A levels. So wife always helping to him by performing, selecting type of various method. So he is happy about his service and his earning. What he specially mentioning is he can cut any type of gemstones, especially for tourist items. It doesn't matter in the morning, the daytime and the night, he is ready to cut, and he requesting you all, if you want to cut in front of yourself, just come here. So we'll later on we'll put his contact and our contact through our channel. So we'll start. Ajit අපි වැඩි පටන් ගමු.
මේ මුලින්ම මේ ගලේ මූලික හැඩයක් ගන්න ඕන.
හරි.
මේකේ දෝෂ තියෙනවා නම් ඒවා ගාලා ඉවත් කර ගන්න ඕනේ.
Okay.
දැන් ඒකට
මොකද්ද මේක?
මේ භාවිත කරන මේක රෆ් ෆ්ලැප් එකක්.
Okay.
නම්බරය 180 ඩයමන්ඩ්.
ඩයමන්ඩ්. අපි දැන් මේක කරන්නේ හැඩ ගන්නවන එක. පළුදු දෝෂ අයින් කරලා හැඩයක් හදා ගන්න එක.
ඔව්.
So we are going to start the cut. So we'll start from the faceting the stone, that is called preforming. We use this plate, that is 160, 100, 180 diamond plate, rough diamond plate. So we'll start the machine using by hand just to remove whatever unnecessary places from the gem. This technique we use by hands, everybody call this is preforming. Everybody must, especially the gem cutter, must have 100% concern about what he is doing. This is very important to get the best deal, best yield. We are removing unnecessary places, the original them, to get the design correct. We call it preform. By hand using, we are just trying to get some sort of method, some sort of way to cut the stone. දැන් සාමාන්‍ය හිතන විදිහට අදිතේ බර කොච්චර විතරයිද ප්‍රිෆෝම් කරාම ලොකු ගණක් කැපෙන්නේ නැහැ එතනදී.
නෑ.
1.8 තිබුණා අපිට මතකයි.
ඔව්.
දැන් අපිට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් 30ක් විතර ගිහිල්ලා ඇති.
ඔව් 35ක්
35ක් විතර ගිහිල්ලා ඇති. So after preforming, so we thought around, we think about here around 1.5 carat now. Earlier we remember 1.8 carat there. So now with by hand using after preform, here around 1.5 carat. Here's the wine spirit fire. Then we have wax. So this sticks, we using this stainless steel stick to stick the stone using by wine spirit and wax. Everything under very carefully concerned. අපි කපන්න යන උඩනේ මුලින්.
ඔව් මේ මුලින් ගන්න කැවිටින් කරගන්නවා. මූලික හැඩ ගැනීම එකද ඊට හැඩ ගැනීම.
So we are going to calibrate the stone now. So dropping finished.
6යි නෝ. මිලිමීටර් 6ක් දිග 5ක් පළල.
Oh.
semi oval එක.
This is the caliper in millimeter wise. We use this machines, this item to measure the stone to calibrate. So we expect semi oval stone to get using this. Each and every gem cutter must have a calibrator. Same lap we are using to calibrate. So now using by stick wax, we are going to calibrate the stone. Once we calibrate, we using this 10x magnifier to see it's come exactly what we require. So once calibrating going on, one hand the 10x magnifier there, the other hand stone is there and the machine is working. See how difficult to get the maximum output from any stone, how cutter put his effort to get the maximum benefit. He always checking through the caliper. By time to time he is checking the caliper with the stone. So now we have finished the calibrating and preforming. With all finished, we have checked through the caliper also. So now we are going to change the plates. Here the sand, make a sand plate, ne? Sand plate, and then we are going to use the facetter to cut the stone. We'll start. This is number 600 sand plate, and then we are going to take out the stone from this stick, and using this is called facetter to cut the stone. Facetter is using to cut the stone. We are going to start the cut. So we have fixed the stick to the facetter. and we are going to cut the top of the stone. It's called table. So we are going to cut the table. For this too we are using that 10x magnifier. Now we are going to cut the main facets. So we arrange facet to the 30% by using 10x magnifier. Now we are cutting the main facets. These things will take longer time by using this all equipments and 100% conservation for the stone.
Right? Then start.
That is main facet finish.
Start.
Now going to change the star facets. Pahalo ne de?
Oh.
To 33 degrees to cut the girdle facets. Tistuna ne?
Oh, this too.
Cutting through 33 degrees to the girdle facets. So we are changing now to that sand plate to the
Copper.
copper plate. So we are going to polish that we already cut the top area of the stone. So we are going to polish through the using by the copper lap.
Diamond powder.
And we used diamond powder, specially the diamond powder
Olive.
plus olive oil to polish the stone. You can just see how this is now polishing. One side you can see this is polishing and still not polishing area. See the difference. It's perfectly finishing now. Now we have finished all methods of the top side. So now we are again using the wine spirit lamp to remove off the top side the stone. Now we are sticking stone to cut the bottom side. We use same wax stick with white strip lamp to cut the bottom side. So we have changed the main lap, the copper lap to sand lap again to cut the bottom side of the stone, that is called pavilion. So we are going to cut the bottom side. So we have finished the bottom line facets. Then we are going to using same copper lap to polish the bottom line facets. Now polishing the bottom side of bottom facets. Now almost 80% of the stone finishing now. We have yet to finish girdle facets and stick off and finish the product. We have already finished the flower cut bottom side. It's shining now, it shows it's coming shining now. So now we are going to polish the girdle. You can have a closer look for the bottom side. This is cast iron lap. This one we are used to polish the girdle line. Girdle line. We expect it's perfectly finishing. We have finished the stone. I got the stone to my hand. Perfectly finished. What we expect, we got it. We expect to 0.6, 0.7 carat. We have shown that. We have seen that. We got 0.8 carat. This is flower cut natural sapphire finished with 0.80 carat. So Ajit Padmasiri has done tremendous job for us. With his 30 years experience given us this superb cutting stone. So we spent 2 hours with him in his home today. So I just want to thank you very much, Ajitaya, to giving such a nice piece of stone for us. So friends, being with us, keep in touch with us. You can again, I just remind, subscribe our channel and just you can comment on it. If you need anything, just comment, just ask. So we are ready to give our service. So again I am selling the Sri Lanka we provide to the world best stones. This is blue sapphire.